You're not going to ask in Somali?
anigu meesha ayaan fadhiyey ninkaasi weerka aad u sayna hadda dagaal baa qabatay
liibaan aniga was naqaano ali yaqaano ma og yihiin dagaalka inaan ku fiicanahay ma og yihiin haddee gabdhaha soomaalida oo wiilal walaalo la soo koro inay darteen sidii qof liskaga dhiciyo marka waxaan leeyahay haddii uusan security-gayga ninkaas dhulka ula dhici lahayn gacanteyda way gaari lahayd marka nasiib uu leeyahay in ay iga celiyeen Aisha and with that we will take a few questions. Hey, whoa.
What is your message?
We'll call on Tom. Well, I think my presence here should tell you that the fear and intimidation doesn't work on me. And you know, you and I have talked about this many a times. This the president's rhetoric, the attacks from him since I've gotten into public office from the right wing has always been really to stop me from being in public service, to intimidate me, to make me want to quit. And my only message is it hasn't worked thus far and it's not going to work in the future.
Congressman, you blamed his rhetoric for what happened last night. I'm wondering what, if anything, you've heard from your Republican colleagues.
You know, blame is very interesting, but facts are more important. And what the facts have shown since I've gotten into elected office is that every time the President of the United States has chosen to use hateful rhetoric to talk about me and the community that I represent, my death threats skyrocket. For 4 years, when he was in office, the first 2 years I was state rep, and the last 2 years I was a member of Congress. It was maybe my second or third week when he started attacking me. I became a freshman who nobody should have actually known I existed because I wielded no power, to having the most death threats of any member of Congress. To the point where I had to have 6 Capitol Police officers providing 24-hour detail to me and my family. He left office. Well, he was defeated. And Biden got elected. And for 4 years, it almost plummeted. Then he came back into office and he reassumed his vitriol. And now my death threats are the highest of the members of Congress. And last night, the man that attacked me was specifically upset that Trump's order to deport Somalis was not yielding enough deportations of Somalis. So he wanted to come get the person he thought was protecting the Somalis. Well, we are protected by the Constitution.
That's right.
I'm sorry to tell you the truth. We are protected by the Constitution. And so I do believe that the facts of the situation are that I wouldn't be where I am at today, having to pay for security, having the government to think about providing me security if Donald Trump wasn't in office and if he wasn't so obsessed with me. It is ironic that just last night he was on stage moments before I was attacked talking about me. And then when asked about my attack, he said, I don't think about her. Does he not remember? Is he suffering from dementia? How do you spend 20, 30 minutes on stage obsessing over me by name multiple times, and then moments later say, Ilhaan Omar? I don't think about her. So hopefully that answers your question. We'll take one more question. We'll take one more question from the Somali report.